What's up, guys? It's Zay the Barber here. Today I'm going to be bringing you guys a burst fade design and beard. So to get this haircut started, I'm excited to come with you guys with the YouTube video. So we're going to be using our Wahl magic clips closed here because we're just wanting to get the perimeter started out. A burst fade, you got to create a circular shape around the ear. Then we're taking our 2 guard and we're going closed, and we're just using this to take down the bulk and get rid of all the thick hair on the sides. We're going to be doing a design, so we're going to be taking clipper over comb techniques just to take down a lot of the bulk so we can get the hair out of the way. Okay, and also too, guys, you know, I take my clippers with the guard open, with no guards actually, open, and then I'm taking my Andis T Outliners right here, guys, and I'm just going in more of a detailed at that bottom line. Then I'm taking my T Outliners and I'm creating my first part of the design. Okay, this is a freestyle design, so it's something more creative. I'm using the corner of my blades to create the arch, and then I'm going to be using the blade to create my second line. And remember, I use the top of the blade and the bottom of the blade to hit, or excuse me, to hit the bottom of the line and the top of the line. Okay, so that you can have the detail. Then I'm using the corner of my blade to kind of drag as I create my design. Okay, and then I'm just kind of using my corners to create my shapes, and I'm constantly combing because I want to be able to create detail. Okay, and then I'm going open, halfway, and close within this area because I'm creating like a fade with my design to kind of create contrast. And then I'm going with my 1 guard, open and close, and there goes your boy Deluxe bothering people in my videos. Then I'm going with my half guard or my 0 guard, open and closed. Okay, and I'm just blending out that bottom line within my design. Okay, then I'm going closed. Okay, then I'm just kind of going over the design a little bit more. You want to be able to go over your work several times so that you can have a sharp line. Then I'm creating my next line. I'm really just going with the flow of the design and making sharp angles. You want to be able to create sharp angles and contrast. You want to make sure that your designs pop by making sure that your angles have exaggeration. You want to have exaggeration in your designs. Okay, the more it exaggerates, the more it pops. When you do your curves and your arches, you want to be able to exaggerate the design. Okay, and again, I have full length tutorials on my my online barber academy where I deliver 45 minutes tutorials, so you guys can click the link in the description below and get a free 3-day trial to the program. This is where I'm really able to break down everything, and why my student here, 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐞 from Instagram, was actually able to take my program and look at, he used difficult time trying to get out his lines and have a smoother transition, and after taking my course he was able to have a smooth blends and everything, because I'm able to break down more than just a 6-minute tutorial on YouTube. I'm able to break down a full 45-minute to an hour tutorial just like you're watching right here, and you're able to actually see everything that I do in real time, real speed, every instruction, everything. Okay, so we're going with my Wahl magic clips open here. Okay, then I'm going halfway open, and just imagine if you're able to see this whole cut, this whole, the beard work, all the shear work, everything in this cut, you know, on a full-length video. You'll really be able to learn way more, but I'm still happy to give you guys a YouTube tutorial. So then we go on my 1 guard closed, okay, with my Wahl magic clips. Okay, and then I got my 3 guard open, because I'm just trying to get rid of this bulk area. Okay, there's a lot more bulk in this hair because his hair is a lot longer. Okay, so we take our 3 guard closed, then we're taking our 2 guard open, and we're just working our way down with the blend. Okay, we started out just taking down the bulk, but now we're just focusing on the details and working our blend down. Imagine when you're working your blend, you're going from a 3 guard open to a 3 guard close, a 2 guard open to 2 guard close, 1.5, 1, etc. Just doing a little bit more cleanup work with clipper over comb. Then I'm going with my 0 guard, or my half guard open. I apologize, it's actually a half guard. Okay, again, we're going back over with my 3 guard, and we're just kind of like going straight up so that the boat is all the way down. Okay, and just now we're going to take my T outliners and we're just trimming up the front. When you trim up the front, it allows, you know, the hairs to get out of the way, so that when we're lining it up, the hairs are straight down. Then we're taking my 1.5 guard open, and we're just kind of just trimming around the front. We really want the hairs to be trimmed in the front so that I can easily line him up. Okay, and you see we're just hitting with the T outliners. These are the cordless T outliners. And now we're hitting with the razor. You want to pull the skin up, and then when you're hitting with the razor, you're able to see a lot more detail. Okay, we're using the corners of the blades. Okay, and we're going a different around the angles of that design. Okay, we go all over the head with the straight razor. And then we're hitting the beard. Okay, so if you guys want the full length to this video, it is on my tutorial online barber academy, where I'm delivering 45-minute to an hour tutorials every single week. I'm delivering 2 tutorials a week. When you join my program, I'm telling you, you're gonna see everything from the details to the polishing of the blends, to the polishing of the designs, to the shear work that I used on the top, to the beard work, to how to blend out the beard. Just think about it. My student right here took the program, and in just 3 days he was just amazed by the results that he was able to get. Look at the details in the blends, because he's able to have tighter transitions. Even another student was able to take the program in just 2 days and already seeing a major improvement, because it's a lot more details, a lot more things that I can show in a full-length tutorial, in a full breakdown, in real time, and full explanation. Okay, so join my program, guys. Click the link in the description below. I'll see you guys there. Have a good one, you guys. See you on the next tutorial.